Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in consolidation range in Euro versus US dollar, generate very good profit in it. If you learn even a little bit from this video, then do subscribe the channel and like the video. I am applying for trade here with proper lot size. I will get it after some time.
Nope.
Guys, I have $3,000 in my account currently. We are making some profit. I have applied for trade as per my risk. This account will grow with proper risk management and the trade will be held till the profit target. Now you have understood the market pattern, which is the important part. The market always creates and moves similar patterns over and over again, creating very good reversal and retracement patterns. We can make good profit from this pattern. Now let us draw the pattern. First of all, I am using the rectangle tool. At this level, we will see multiple reversal points from where the market has repeatedly reversed to the same level. At this level, the market first took support and later turned it into resistance. Even at this level, the market has created multiple reverse points, which the market has not been able to break for a long time. At these points, you can see that the market has created multiple support resistance points and is moving in the same range. Here, selling opportunity is being created in place of resistance points and buying opportunity is being created in place of support points. We will draw this range with arrow lines. With these arrows, you will understand the market pattern better. The market always moves in the same pattern. We can take advantage of this type of consolidation range. Our entry is at the right place. Here we can see a good move upwards. Our analysis is complete. We have drawn a very simple price action pattern. Let's see how the market reacts to this setup. We will follow all the rules here properly. Now I place the stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 18 pips below the strong support level from our trade. If the market breaks below this level, then we will plan for a selling trade, and the target point will be within the consolidation range 36 pips above. If the market follows this setup, then it will definitely move upwards because the market has not yet given a consolidation breakout either above or below. Guys, we were making a little profit. The market took that away from us. We will not close the trade until the market hits the stop loss or target point. This is our biggest rule. Guys, we will now watch the market patiently and enjoy the process. Never be happy or sad to see profits or losses in trading. Unless you enjoy the trading process, you will lag behind. In trading, strategy is not everything in trading. Strategy work is only 10% in the market. The remaining 90% is psychology and risk management. If you follow 90% of the trading process correctly, then you can become a profitable trader. See you guys after a while. Till then, enjoy the video.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the noise, I just wanna move. Keep my head up when I act, care if that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Well done guys, our trade was successful. We had to wait for 3 days for this trade to hit the target. Because the market was closed on Saturday and Sunday, we applied this trade on Friday. You will have to practice again and again to stay in the market for this long. This is the part of psychology which is the most difficult. Most of the traders are not able to improve this psychology part and make big losses again and again. The market respected this setup of ours. Our profit target was at this level, which has been hit. The market is moving upwards here. We had to wait a lot for this target. The market moved a lot in zigzags, but it does not matter to us. Our profit target should be hit. We have drawn a strong support level. The market has again created multiple support points at the same level. Now the market is nearing a strong resistance level. Our stop loss was at this level, which was about to be hit. The market was only 2 pips above our stop loss. Here I am drawing a zigzag move with the arrow line. This will give us an idea of what the market range was. You can also apply zigzag indicator or draw a line like this. The market is still in this trend. We can trade up or down in this range until the market gives a breakout up or down. Our goal has been achieved. Now we close the trade. Guys, our profit is above $1,600. We had deposited $3,000 in this account, which has grown to $4,700. This trade required the most patience, for which we were already prepared. Always keep the market simple. We can make profit even with simple analysis. Always practice the same setup again and again. If you liked the video, then please like it. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Peace.